Hey folks, temperatures across the valley, quite a contrast again. 67 right now, Rio Grande City, but 77 in Raymondville, 76 right now, Harlingen. McAllen checks in at 71 degrees. Again, we're still looking at the warmer temperatures in the east than in the west, just like yesterday across the area. Overnight, FutureTrack takes readings into the 60s valley-wide with the exception of the beach, about 71 there, so a very mild night. When you consider our normal high is in the low 70s, we won't be much below that overnight. Then during the daytime tomorrow, FutureTrack keeps us in the 60s. I think there's a good bet most of us will at least touch the mid to upper 70s for a little while and then cool back off, but certainly a cooler day than today. We go forward into Thursday, same kind of thing. We start in the 60s. Thursday, probably a cooler day than tomorrow, maybe touching 70, 71 for a high. That's about it, but much of the day will be spent in the 60s again on Thursday. And then Friday, we warm up. Look at the readings. Back in the 80s again on Friday as a southerly wind kicks back in, bringing warmer temperatures back into the region. Here are our forecast highs the next 3 days. The norm for this time of year is 72. And we're going 77 down to 69 and then back up to 84 on Friday. If we get there, we're within one of the record. Record high is only 85 for Friday, so we'll be knocking on the door of that. Cloud cover wise, we've seen a lot of clouds in the western part of the valley today. It's taken all day for them to even thin out at all, so temperatures have stayed cooler from Rio Grande City back to Roma. But east of that, a fair amount of sunshine allowed temperatures to warm up pretty nicely. Now, FutureTrack says overnight tonight we all cloud up. Weak front comes in early tomorrow morning, making tomorrow slightly, a little bit cooler than today. Not much, but a little bit. Thursday, kind of a second surge of that cooler air pushes in and kind of reinforces tomorrow's air mass. So again, a lot of clouds, northerly breeze, and temperatures just a little bit cooler yet. Notice the map is all gray, indicating not much chance of sunshine. Instead, clouds kind of dominating. But by Friday, I think the clouds break. By afternoon, we see some sunshine, and with that, the southerly wind, temperatures race back up into the 80s. Rain chances, we go 10 late tomorrow, about a 30% probability on Thursday. It's just sprinkles, nothing big, and then it's kind of left over into early Friday. Rest of Texas, a little cold up north, 35 right now in Amarillo, 51 in Dallas, 57 in Austin. San Antonio checks in at 69 degrees. Here comes front numero uno. Number one comes in early in the morning. The secondary front, not even on the map, but it just kind of reinforces the air mass that's here. The much stronger front doesn't get here until Sunday. You wait for it. It shows up on the weather map on Saturday, and the cold air behind that will come racing across Texas during the day on Saturday into the valley Sunday morning. And with that, we see a pretty big drop in temperatures Sunday into Monday and Tuesday, as cold or colder than what we were last week, Friday and Saturday. At the coast in the morning, 71 degrees, northerly winds there, 68 by afternoon, temperatures kind of hovering right around 70 or so, maybe a little cooler. Low tides in the morning, 8:29, a high at 5:50 in the afternoon, seas 1 to 3 feet with a moderate chop on the bay. So tonight, clouds thicken up, a little patchy fog again, a low of 62. Tomorrow back up to 77. A lot of clouds, especially early, and maybe some breaks in the afternoon, but clouds will dominate, a high of 77. That northerly breeze, not much more than about 5 to 12 miles an hour. Notice we're a little cooler Thursday. But look at Friday, back to 84. Look at Saturday, 87. The high on Sunday depends on timing of the front. The warmest temperature of the day will be right before the front gets here, probably first thing in the morning. Temperatures will go down from there. So whatever it is in the morning, count on that being your high for Sunday. We'll drop through the 50s into the 40s by Monday morning, some places in the upper 30s, and then no warmer than 44 and 45 on Monday and Tuesday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.